What's up, tartelettes? It's Deanna. I am in my Giants jersey because I'm showing you guys a recipe that you can bring as an appetizer to your next tailgate or football party that you're going to, because it is football season. So this recipe is a vegan spicy queso dip, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, but let me know in the comments down below what your favorite NFL team is. For starters, I sliced up this eggplant and then I broiled it, so I'm just adding that first to my blender. And then we're also adding a cup of almond milk. Then we're adding 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin, am I saying that right? I don't know, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And then we're gonna blend this all up. Then you're gonna pour that mixture into a pot and you're just gonna bring that to a medium heat. And then we're gonna add our almond milk and stir that and bring it to a simmer. And then serve it hot with chips. Time to test this out. This would actually probably be good if you added beans to it too, but we're gonna try this out. It's very hot. Very good. Definitely spicy. But yeah, I think next time I would add a little bit of like beans to it. It'd be even better. Really good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are taking this to your next tailgate. Let me know in the comments down below what team you are rooting for this season, and I will see you later. Go Giants.